Automated. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of mastering AI-driven content creation. If you've ever wondered how to harness the power of artificial intelligence to elevate your content game, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the latest tools and techniques that can help you create engaging, shareable content that resonates with your audience. We'll cover everything from understanding the basics of AI and content creation to practical tips on how to generate ideas, optimize your writing, and even analyze audience engagement. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of how AI can be your secret weapon in crafting viral content that stands out in a crowded digital landscape. So, whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, get ready to unlock the potential of AI and transform your creative process. Stick around because you won't want to miss the insights and strategies we have in store for you. Let's get started on this journey to becoming an AI-savvy content creator. Understanding AI in content creation. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines programmed to think and learn. In the realm of content creation, AI plays a pivotal role in generating engaging and relevant material that captures audience attention. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can identify trends, preferences, and even predict what type of content will resonate with viewers. There are numerous AI tools available for content creators today. For instance, platforms like Jasper and Copy.ai assist in generating written content, while tools like Canva leverage AI for graphic design. Additionally, AI-driven analytics tools can help creators understand audience engagement and optimize their content strategies. The benefits of using AI in content creation are substantial. Not only does it enhance efficiency by automating repetitive tasks, but it also sparks creativity by providing fresh ideas and insights. With AI, content creators can focus more on the creative aspects of their work, allowing for a more innovative approach to storytelling. Embracing AI in your content creation process can lead to higher quality output and a more engaged audience. Identifying your niche. Finding your content niche is a crucial step in establishing a successful online presence. Start by analyzing your interests and expertise. What topics are you passionate about? What skills or knowledge do you possess that others might find valuable? Reflecting on these questions can help you pinpoint areas where you can create authentic and engaging content. Once you have a general idea of your interests, it's time to conduct some market research. Utilize tools like Google Trends, BuzzSumo, or Answer the Public to identify trending topics within your areas of interest. These platforms can provide insights into what people are searching for and what content is currently resonating with audiences. Targeting a specific audience is essential for building a loyal following. By narrowing your focus, you can tailor your content to meet the needs and preferences of your viewers. This not only enhances engagement, but also positions you as an authority in your niche. Remember, the more specific you are, the easier it will be to connect with your audience and create content that truly resonates. So take the time to identify your niche and watch your content thrive. Content planning and strategy. Creating a solid content plan is essential for any content creator looking to build a consistent and engaging online presence. One of the first steps in this process is developing a content calendar. A content calendar helps you organize your ideas, schedule posts, and maintain consistency across your platform. By planning ahead, you can ensure that your content aligns with key dates, trends, and audience interests. To streamline your content ideation and scheduling, consider using AI tools like Trello, CoSchedule, or Notion. These platforms can help you brainstorm ideas, manage your workflow, and even automate posting times, allowing you to focus more on creating quality content rather than getting bogged down in logistics. Setting measurable goals for your content is another crucial step in your planning process. Whether it's increasing engagement, growing your audience, or driving traffic to your website, having clear objectives will guide your content strategy and help you track your progress. By following these steps, you can create a comprehensive content plan that not only keeps you organized, but also drives meaningful results for your brand. Creating engaging content with AI. Using AI tools to create content can significantly enhance your creative process and output. For instance, platforms like Jasper can generate blog posts based on specific topics or keywords, allowing you to kickstart your writing with fresh ideas. Similarly, AI video creation tools like Lumen 5 can transform text into engaging videos, complete with visuals and music, making it easier to reach audiences who prefer video content. To enhance your creativity with AI assistance, consider using these tools as brainstorming partners rather than replacements. For example, you can input a basic idea into an AI tool and let it generate multiple variations. This can spark new angles and concepts that you might not have considered. Don't be afraid to experiment with different content styles. Try combining formats such as creating infographics from blog content or turning a series of tweets into a short video. The beauty of AI is that it allows for rapid iteration and exploration. By embracing these tools and experimenting with various styles, you can create engaging content that captivates your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Optimizing for virality. Creating content that goes viral requires a strategic approach, starting with the importance of catchy headlines and eye-catching thumbnails. A compelling headline grabs attention and encourages clicks, while an engaging thumbnail visually represents your content, making it more likely to be shared. Invest time in crafting these elements to maximize your content's appeal. In addition to strong visuals, leveraging AI tools for SEO optimization and keyword research can significantly enhance your content's discoverability. Tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs can help you identify trending keywords and phrases that resonate with your target audience. By incorporating these keywords into your content, you increase the chances of ranking higher in search results, making it easier for people to find and share your work. Social media also plays a crucial role in promoting viral content. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram allow you to reach a broader audience and encourage sharing. Utilize AI-driven analytics tools to determine the best times to post and the types of content that perform well on each platform. By combining catchy headlines, effective SEO strategies, and social media promotion, you can significantly boost your content's chances of going viral. Monetizing your content. Once you've created engaging AI-driven content, it's time to explore how to monetize it effectively. There are several strategies you can employ, with advertising and sponsorships being two of the most popular. By joining ad networks like Google AdSense or partnering with brands for sponsored content, you can generate revenue while providing value to your audience. In addition to ads and sponsorships, consider leveraging platforms for selling digital products or services. Websites like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify allow you to sell ebooks, online courses, or exclusive content directly to your audience. This not only diversifies your income streams, but also positions you as an authority in your niche. Building a community around your content is crucial for sustained income. Engage with your audience through social media, newsletters, or membership platforms like Patreon. By fostering a loyal community, you create opportunities for recurring revenue through subscriptions or exclusive content offerings. Remember, monetization is not just about making money. It's about providing value and building relationships. By combining these strategies, you can effectively monetize your AI-driven content and create a sustainable income stream. Tracking performance and analytics. Measuring the success of your content is essential for understanding its impact and refining your strategies. To effectively track engagement and performance metrics, consider using tools like Google Analytics, social media insights, and platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer. These tools provide valuable data on how your content is performing, including metrics such as views, shares, likes, and comments. Analyzing this data is crucial for identifying trends and understanding what resonates with your audience. By examining which pieces of content perform well and which don't, you can refine your strategies to focus on what works best. This iterative process allows you to optimize your content for better engagement and reach. Additionally, audience feedback is a goldmine for improvement. Encourage your viewers to share their thoughts through comments, surveys, or direct messages. This feedback can provide insights into their preferences and interests, helping you tailor your content accordingly. Remember, the key to success lies in being adaptable. By continuously tracking performance, analyzing data, and responding to audience feedback, you can enhance your content strategy and drive even greater success over time. In this video, we've explored the transformative power of AI in content creation and how it can elevate your creative process. We discussed the importance of identifying your niche, planning your content strategically, and utilizing AI tools to generate engaging material. By optimizing for virality and exploring monetization strategies, you can turn your passion into a sustainable income stream. As you move forward, remember to take actionable steps towards your goals. Whether it's experimenting with different content formats, analyzing performance metrics, or building a community around your work, every effort counts in your journey to success. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on mastering AI-driven content creation. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow creators who could benefit from these strategies. Together, we can harness the power of AI to create impactful content that resonates with audiences everywhere. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.